Grand Theft Auto 6 will crash into our lives in less than a year on May 26, 2026. And fans are wondering what the game will be like, as only 2 trailers were given with the combined duration of less than 5 minutes. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest gaming news. The question which is popping on every fan's mind is whether Rockstar will drop a 3rd trailer before launch, or are we riding blind into Vice City? The secrecy surrounding GTA 6 is peak Rockstar. Leaks, legal drama, and an internet frenzy have made this one of the most unconventional rollouts in gaming history. Even the most dedicated GTA sleuths are left guessing. GTA Kid, admin of the long-running GTAnet.com, says fans are desperate for a deeper dive, saying what we've seen so far only scratches the surface. A new trailer showing how missions work, interactions with NPCs, or just more of Leonida would be incredible. While others, like GTA community figure Tez, hopes the next glimpse into the game moves beyond high-speed heists. He said, "Show us daily life in Vice City, street racing, off-roading, bar games, fishing. Let us feel the world outside the main storyline." And Spider Vice, a moderator at GTA Forums, points to Rockstar's history with multiple trailers. He said, "We've had story trailers, world trailers, gameplay trailers in past GTA and Red Dead games. I'd be surprised if we didn't get at least one more." Still, Rockstar plays by its own rules, and part of the thrill is not knowing what comes next. Whether the new trailer drops tomorrow or in 6 months, Trailer 3 might just be the moment that sends the hype on a next level. Are you desperately waiting for GTA 6? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.